With all the hype that I have been hearing about AI lately, I decided to test it by giving ChatGPT instructions to create a spring garden seed planting guide and chart for me. I thought long and hard about what I should say, and in the end, I gave it the most in-depth instructions that I could come up with. These are the instructions that I created. ChatGPT, I live in North Central Florida. Create a seed starting chart that tells me when to start seeds for tomatoes, cucumbers, okra, bell peppers, green beans, basil, zinnias, and marigolds. Tell me how deeply to plant each seed type. Include when they should be watered, when to start fertilizing them once they become seedlings, and the type of fertilizer each plant needs. Tell me which seeds need heat and which ones need light to germinate. Include how long each seed type takes to germinate. Tell me when the seedlings need to be transplanted outside, and include how many hours of sunlight they need once they are transplanted outside. Tell me which of the plants can grow in partial shade. Tell me what types of pests can attack each plant. When I hit enter, this is an example of the results that I received. ChatGPT. Here's a seed starting chart tailored for your area in North Central Florida. Tomatoes. Start seeds indoors, late January to mid-February. Plant seeds 1/4 inch deep. Water regularly, keeping soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Begin fertilizing seedlings with a balanced fertilizer, 10-10-10, once they have their first true leaves. Tomatoes need heat to germinate, around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius, and light for germination. Germination, 5 to 10 days. Transplant outdoors, late March to mid-April. Tomatoes require full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours per day. Pests. Common pests include tomato hornworms, aphids, and whiteflies. ChatGPT covered every plant that I requested. This was fantastic. I couldn't believe it. ChatGPT had actually given me the info that I asked for. But there was one problem. I wanted the information in a spreadsheet because it would be easier to refer to at a glance. So I went back to ChatGPT and asked the following question. Can you put the above information into a comparison chart? This was its response. Certainly. Here's a comparison chart for the plants you've listed. Can you believe this, guys? I was blown away. If I had known about this last year, I could have saved myself hours, perhaps even days. Do yourself a favor and let ChatGPT do the work for you too.